This is job number RBC-0125. It's a 150-ton Dake press. We're going to go ahead and run the press through a cycle right now. Go ahead. You hit the pound buttons. You can hear the safety ratchet bar, cylinder pull back. Press will close. It'll hit the slow close limit switch. It'll build tonnage, and then the press will return to the open position. That's slow close right now. Now you can hear the tonnage building up. It's got the tonnage gauge above the panel, 150 tons. Press will now go to the top. Now what we're going to do is have it come down, and he's going to break the light curtains. If you break the light curtains either going down or going up, you have to go to the pedestal and hit the press open button to bring it back up to the top. Now what we're going to do, it's going to come down, and then he's going to release the back safety door latch, and that latch will act as an e-stop. So the press is now shut off. Put the plug back in. Now you got to go to the panel, start the motors. And then bring the press back up to the top. And go ahead, run another cycle. Now it's ready to run again. And again, you've got fast close there. Hit the limit switch and shift over to pressing. Once it hits the tooling, you'll build up tonnage. There's your 150 tons. And now it goes back up to the top. So that completes job number RBC-0125.